Hello investors, have you ever wondered what your life could have been like if you had made the right investments a few years ago? Today, we're diving into 10 cryptos that are skyrocketing and turning early investors into millionaires. Before we reveal the list, leave your predictions in the comments below and let us know which coins you think are on our list. We will select more than 100 people of all levels to join our Discord investing group, where we will help each other grow as investors and provide individual support. Don't forget to leave your Discord username with your prediction comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more finance content. Ready to put your predictions to the test? Let's get started. Here are 10 altcoins that can make you rich. 1 Bitcoin. Let's start with the king of cryptos. In 2011, Bitcoin was just $1 and now it is over $60,000. If you had invested $1,000 back then, today you would have more than $60 million, enough to buy an entire fleet of luxury cars. 2 Ethereum. Entered the market in 2014 at 30 cents. Today its price is over $2,300. If you had invested $1,000, you would have earned $7.6 million, perhaps enough to own a private island. 3 Dogecoin. This meme coin started at $0.001 in 2013 and is currently at 10 cents. A $1,000 investment can turn into about $100,000 today, enough to buy you a couple of Tesla Model S cars. 4 Binance Coin. Launched in 2017 at 10 cents, Binance Coin has grown to over $550. If you had invested $500 back then, you would have $2.7 million today, maybe even enough to buy your own private jet. 5 Cardano. In 2017, Cardano was trading at just 2 cents. Today, it is around 33 cents. Back then, a $1,000 investment would have grown to $16,500, enough for a luxury vacation around the world. 6 Solana. Solana started at 78 cents in 2020. Today, it is worth about $131. A $1,000 investment would now be worth about $167,948, enough to buy a brand new sports car. 7 Shiba Inu. Launched as a meme coin in 2020, the price of Shiba Inu skyrocketed from $0.0000001 to reach a value of $0.00001. A $1,000 investment could make you a millionaire, enough to buy a penthouse in New York. 8 Litecoin. In 2013, Litecoin was worth $2. Now it trades at over $63. Back then, an investment of $10,000 could grow to $315,000, enough for a brand new Lamborghini Huracan. 9 Avalanche. Avalanche started at $4 in 2020. Today, it is worth $23. A $1,000 investment could have grown to $5,750, perfect for a luxury vacation. 10 Polkadot. Polkadot was launched in 2020 at $2.90 and is currently worth about $4.70. If you had invested $1,000, you would have doubled your money, perfect for a high-end shopping spree. How did your predictions go? Did you guess any of them correctly? Comment below how many you got and see where you ranked. 1, 2, 10. Poor investor, 3, 5, 10. Rookie investor, 6, 9, 10. Growing investor, 10 tenths. Real investor. Remember, we are selecting 100 plus people of all levels to join our private investing community. Leave your Discord username in the comments with your predictions and we might invite you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more ways to grow your wealth. See you next time. Meet Finance.